I am a frontline worker. I don't have a corner office. I have corners to clean, machines to check, and guests to greet.
People depending on me to show up, rain, shine, or double shift. They call me the boots on the ground. Yeah, steel-toed, slip-resistant, and ready before most alarms go off.
My desk moves. It's a control room, a hangar floor, a tarmac, and a loading bay. My inbox is in my hand.
I don't circle back. I close loops. I don't send follow-ups. I follow through. I know the hum of a generator, the drip in a leak, and the silence that means everything's running right.
But that doesn't mean I don't need technology. I need tools built for me, not adapted from someone else's spreadsheet. Tools that move as fast as I do, that work where I work, that make my job safer, smarter, and seen.
I'm not a number on a payroll. I'm a professional. I'm a problem solver. I am a frontline worker.
We are frontline workers, and we rely on Command Center from Zendelity. Learn more at www.getcommandcenter.com.